Welcome back. Godrej Properties launched its much-awaited Bandra Kurla Complex project today in partnership with Jet Airways. According to the company's management, this project will contribute nearly 3,500 to 4,000 crore rupees of revenue once it's finished at the end of 2015. Before we go any further, here at Pirojsha Godrej, the managing director and CEO of the company.
We are now doing this in joint venture with Jet Airways. The project in total is about 1.3 million square feet of saleable area in terms of the size of the project. About 250,000 square feet of that will be used by Jet Airways for their own corporate headquarters, and the remainder of which will be sold and leased externally. We expect revenues from this project to be about 3,500 to 4,000 crore over the life of the project. We expect to complete construction by the end of 2015 and hopefully complete sales on the project soon thereafter.
Right, so that's Pirojsha Godrej outlining some of the contours of the project that's being launched at Bandra Kurla Complex. Priyanka Ghosh, who's been tracking the development very closely, now joins us with more details. Priyanka, how important is this launch for Godrej Properties? And the sheer timing of this launch is very interesting, given that, the commercial real estate market is pretty much subdued at the moment.
Yeah, that's actually the major worry here. But so far as debt is concerned, the launch of this project is a positive, because remember, just this project contributes 750 crores of debt, and their overall debt is about 1,500 crore rupees. The company also said that right now they are not looking to lease out any space. They're trying to sell some of this space. So obviously they're trying to generate some kind of cash flow. They're also open to divesting some kind of stake to a private equity fund. So the intention is in the step in the right direction. So far as profit sharing is concerned, both of the companies will split it 50-50. Market analysis indicates that the profits expected from this project is about 1,300 crore rupees. So it will beef up the balance sheet of both companies to the extent of 500 to 600 crores over a period of 2 to 3 years. Now what you mentioned, the industry trend that the commercial real estate is not doing too well, that is a bit of a concern. Remember that the launch price stands at 26,000 to 27,000 rupees per square foot, and this is very much at par with the last launch in BKC, which is BKC 1. So there is no indication of a price escalation in any sense. Of course, here the management is assuming that riding on reforms and a comeback of investors, there will be some kind of strength so far as financial services and banking institutions are concerned. That is going to beef up some kind of demand. They also say that the supply of grade A building is very limited in BKC, and therefore they are going to cash in on all that demand. That's the big assumption that they're making. However, whether this will actually pan out that way or not, we have to wait and watch.
Right, thanks Priyanka for joining us with all of those details. The market certainly liked the news. As soon as the announcement was made, we saw a huge spike on the Godrej Properties stock. For now, we're going to wrap up this edition of After the Bell. Thanks for watching. Market Buzz coming up next.